How to use keyframes in Blender? First of all, open your project and select the object you want to animate. You can keyframe almost any property in Blender, such as location, rotation, scale, or even material settings. Now, move to the frame where you want to add your first keyframe. For example, if you are animating movement, go to the starting frame, make sure your object is in the starting position. Then hover over the location field in the right hand panel and press the I key to insert a keyframe. You will see a yellow marker appear on the timeline showing that the keyframe has been added. Next, go to another frame, move your object to a new position and press I again over the same property to insert another keyframe. Blender will now automatically create animation between these two keyframes using interpolation. If you want more control over the motion, open the graph editor or dope sheet from the editor type menu. This allows you to adjust the timing, ease in and ease out, or even change the interpolation type from linear to Bezier for a smoother motion. To manage your animation, use the playback controls at the bottom or press the space bar. If something doesn't animate as expected, check the keyframe properly to make sure it's set correctly. And that's it. Now you know how to use keyframes in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.